Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful stitch. It's just one row repeat and has this 3D look. You can make shawls, scarves, blankets with a thicker yarn and cardigans with it. I will show you slowly. That's a beginner friendly tutorial. So if you are a beginner, don't afraid, okay? Try this. This could be your first project, maybe. For this, I'm gonna use a category 3 yarn and 4.5 millimeter hook. You can use any kind of yarn and recommended hook. Hope you like this. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. You can find the link below, and we can start now. Start with a slip knot. For this stitch, we will need multiples of 5 plus 4 only one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it as big as you want with 5 chains, then add 4 more chains. Yarn over. Skip 1, 2, 3 chains. Don't count this one, okay? 1, 2, 3. Insert into the 4th chain. Grab the yarn, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Count this as a double crochet. We have 2 double crochets right now. We are gonna put 3 more. We totally have 5 double crochets. Skip 1, 2, 3. Into the 4th chain, we are gonna put a double crochet. And we will repeat this, okay? We are gonna make 3 chains, then a shell, then only one double crochet. We will repeat this. Chain 3. Into this next chain, make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, 2, 3 into the 4th, put a double. Then chain 3. Into this next stitch, make 5 double crochets. Skip 3 into the 4th chain, put a double crochet. Then chain 3. Into the next, put 5 double crochets. Skip 3 into the next, put a double crochet, then chain 3. A shell, skip 3, a double and chain 3. Okay, that's our repeat. And we have one more stitch here. We are gonna put only one double crochet here. That's the end of the first row. For the second row, we are gonna start with 3 chains as a double crochet. And into this 3 chain space, we are gonna put 3 more double crochets. Count this as the first one. It will be totally 4. 2, 3, 4. And that's the trickiest part. Yarn over twice. We are gonna make the 5th double treble. It will be treble, but 5th one around this double crochet. Insert around it, around this post. Grab the yarn, pull it. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this will give this 3D shape, 3D look. Skip all these double crochets into this last stitch here. We are gonna put a double crochet. Then chain 3, of course. Now into this 3 chain space, we are gonna make 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And around this, we are gonna make a treble. One, 2, 3. And into this last stitch, make a double, chain 3. I'm gonna repeat the same thing. Yarn over twice, make a front post treble, and into this last stitch, put a double crochet, chain 3, four doubles, a treble, skip all of here into this last stitch, into this third chain, put a double crochet, chain 3, and one more double crochet into same place. Now I'm going to show you one more time. We are going to repeat the same things. Chain 3, turn, put 3 more double crochets. This time I'm gonna be a little bit faster Into this last stitch, put a double, chain 3, into this 3 chain space, put 4 double crochets, make a front post treble, skip here, into the last stitch, put a double, then chain 3. Four doubles, a front post treble, and into this 3rd chain, put a double crochet, chain 3, and 1 more double crochet. How to finish it? Chain 1, turn. Into this space, put a single crochet. Chain 3, skip all of here into this last stitch, put a single crochet. Into the next 3 chain space, put a single crochet. Chain 3. Into this last stitch, put a single, into 3 chain space, put a single. Chain 3, last stitch, next stitch, chain 3, into this last stitch, put a single crochet. That's how we will complete our project. Make them a little bit loose, of course. I made them too tight. And hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.